Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain what is the Redux. What is the Redux? In nowadays, Redux is very popular. In most front-end languages, mostly in React and Angular, we are using the Redux. What is the Redux? Why are we using the Redux? What are the most concepts, topics in the Redux? Just I will give a brief introduction in this video. In further lessons, I will clearly explain practically. I will explain with the coding. So let's start. So what is the Redux? Redux is a JavaScript library to manage the application state. That means any application have some data. So the data in the object. For example, an application has most of the applications we are maintaining large number of data. Less that all data is in the object that is called state. So in Redux, whole data of the application maintained at a central part. This is called the store. The centralized data of the application put in a separate state object that is called the store. So in Redux, all the data of the application put in the store in the form of the state objects. State is nothing but the data objects. Let's say we have the users data for application. So how users data in object format we are putting in a store. So store is like a storage in local storage. In the local storage, we are putting all the data in a state objects. Okay. Now, why are we using the Redux? So Redux we are using in nowadays because to maintain the centralized data of the application, which access the several applications. For example, we have the data at the central part. Multiple applications we can handle single object, single centralized data. So multiple application to handle single centralized data, we are use the Redux. Now, if you create the multiple application, every application has their own data. Instead of that, all applications, if you want to use the common data, then we use the Redux. So that's why we use the Redux in nowadays. And coming to the what are the main topics in the Redux? In the Redux, the main topics are what is the store, what is the state, what is the action, what is the reducer. Okay, let me explain clearly. I will clearly tell you. Redux is the JavaScript manager to maintain the application state. So state is what is the state? State is nothing but the object, the data object which is maintained in the store. What is the store? Storage is place where we are keep all the state objects in the store. So store have the data in the form of state objects. Now the state objects are read-only. We cannot modify the state objects in the store. That means we cannot modify